Upgrading a home can transform its ambiance, elevate comfort, and add value. Here are 7 stylish updates to consider, each crafted to inspire homeowners looking to create a more inviting and chic living space. These are not just quick fixes, but thoughtful changes that combine functionality with visual appeal. Let's dive into the details of these elegant home updates. 1. Revamp the entrance with statement doors and lighting. The entrance of your home is the first impression, and a stylish update here can set the tone for the rest of the space. Replacing your standard front door with a custom-designed, bold-colored door or a textured wooden piece with decorative metal accents can add character. Glass inserts, unique paneling, or even vintage-style doorknobs provide a sophisticated touch. Consider incorporating smart lighting, such as modern sconces or lanterns, around the entrance to create a warm, inviting glow. Adding LED sensors that illuminate the entrance as someone approaches can enhance the effect. A custom-designed mat and potted plants can finish the look, making your entrance both functional and beautifully curated. 2. Elevate walls with texture and patterns. Blank walls can be a missed opportunity for self-expression. Stylish wall updates can instantly make any room feel more dynamic and stylish. Start by considering textured wallpaper in modern, elegant patterns, such as geometrics, floral, or abstract prints. If you prefer a more subtle look, try a neutral wallpaper with a slight sheen or embossed texture. Alternatively, wall paneling, whether it's beadboard, shiplap, or reclaimed wood, adds depth and a rustic, warm feel to a room. For a bold, luxurious update, consider installing a statement wall using decorative plaster, Venetian stucco, or faux marble. These finishes add a unique texture that catches the light differently throughout the day, giving the room a rich, multi-dimensional look. An accent wall in a rich color, like forest green, navy, or burnt orange, can be the perfect focal point. 3. Modernize the kitchen with high-quality countertops and backsplash. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, so updating it can elevate the entire living space. A beautiful countertop can serve as a functional piece and a stylish statement. Quartz and granite are timeless choices, known for their durability and variety of colors and patterns. If you want a more luxurious look, consider marble or butcher block countertops for an artisan feel. Replacing the backsplash is another impactful update. Subway tiles remain popular, but today's options include metallic finishes, mirrored surfaces, glass mosaics, and even patterned ceramic tiles. These modern backsplashes bring a sense of creativity and refinement to your kitchen. Adding under-cabinet lighting to accentuate these elements can create a warm, inviting ambience in the evenings. 4. Upgrade. Living room. Lighting for ambiance and style lighting plays a critical role in setting the mood of a home, and upgrading your fixtures can dramatically change your living space. For the living room, consider layering your lighting with a combination of ambient, accent, and task lights. Start with a chic chandelier or a large pendant light that can serve as a statement piece. Swap out old ceiling fixtures for modern designs in brass, matte black, or crystal to give the room a luxurious feel. Adding dimmable wall sconces or adjustable floor lamps can create a cozy atmosphere. You might also consider installing smart lighting systems that allow you to control brightness and color from your phone. To add a personal touch, include table lamps with custom shades in a fun pattern or texture. 5. Transform bathrooms with spa-inspired touches. Turn your bathroom into a sanctuary with luxurious, spa-inspired updates. Start by updating the vanity with a sleek, modern sink and high-quality faucet fixtures. Choose materials like marble, quartz, or granite for countertops, and pair them with gold or brushed nickel faucets for a sophisticated look. Consider adding under-cabinet lighting to create a warm, soft glow that makes early morning routines more pleasant. Installing a glass shower enclosure, adding a rainfall shower head, or introducing a freestanding bathtub can make your bathroom feel like a high-end spa. Don't forget to incorporate some natural elements, like small potted plants or wooden accents, for a calming and organic vibe. 6. Incorporate built-in storage for a sleek, clutter-free look. Built-in storage solutions are not only practical, but can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Customized shelving units, cabinetry, and wall-mounted bookcases keep your space organized while adding architectural interest. In the living room, built-in shelving around the fireplace or entertainment area creates a seamless, stylish look. In bedrooms, built-in wardrobes with sliding doors or open shelving for displaying decorative items can add a sophisticated touch. Consider using materials like dark wood, matte finishes, or even mirrored panels to give the storage units a modern, refined look. Kitchen pantries with pull-out drawers and bathrooms with hidden compartments add convenience and keep essentials neatly stored away. 7. Revitalize outdoor spaces with modern landscaping and furniture. Outdoor spaces have become an extension of the home, and updating your garden or patio can provide a stylish retreat. Start by adding comfortable, weather-resistant furniture with a modern design, such as a sectional sofa, lounge chairs, or a dining set. Choose durable materials like aluminum, teak, or rattan to withstand the elements. Accentuate your seating area with stylish outdoor rugs, vibrant cushions, and perhaps a fire pit or patio heater for cooler evenings. Modern landscaping elements like raised garden beds, stone walkways, or a water feature can also enhance the area's visual appeal. Use soft, ambient lighting to highlight pathways, plantings, and outdoor art, creating a serene, welcoming environment after dark. 8. Bring in smart technology for a seamless, modern experience. Smart technology has redefined convenience and can make your home feel like a futuristic haven. Beyond smart lighting, consider adding a range of tech features for greater control and energy efficiency. Smart thermostats learn your temperature preferences and adjust automatically, optimizing comfort while saving on energy bills. You can also install automated blinds or curtains that open and close on a schedule, enhancing privacy and climate control. In the kitchen, consider smart appliances like fridges that track your grocery inventory or ovens that you can control from your phone. For security, add smart locks, video doorbells, and cameras that connect to your devices, providing peace of mind even when you're away. Integrating these systems not only increases the home's efficiency, but also adds a sleek, tech-savvy layer to your everyday experience. 9. Curate a personalized art and decor. Collection art and decor are essential for bringing personality into your home. Consider investing in statement art pieces, sculptures, or unique wall hangings that reflect your taste. For a truly cohesive feel, opt for pieces that either complement your color scheme or add an intentional pop of contrast. Gallery walls, collections of framed artwork, or photographs can add warmth and character to living rooms, hallways, and even bedrooms. Mirrors are another versatile decor item that add both style and function, making rooms feel larger and brighter. Look for unique frames or mirror shapes like hexagons, ovals, or asymmetrical designs. Finally, accessorize with carefully chosen decor items like artisanal vases, handcrafted bowls, or textured throws and pillows. Each piece should have meaning or add to the aesthetic, transforming your home into a personal gallery. 10. Upgrade flooring with elegant, durable choices. Flooring is a foundational element in every room, and updating it can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetic. For a sophisticated and modern look, consider hardwood floors in rich shades like walnut, oak, or mahogany, which lend a warm, classic feel to living spaces and bedrooms. Alternatively, wide plank or herringbone designs offer a chic, contemporary flair. For high-traffic areas, luxury vinyl plank, LVP, or engineered wood can mimic the look of hardwood while being more resistant to wear and moisture. In kitchens and bathrooms, consider large format tiles, which create a seamless look and require fewer grout lines, making spaces feel more expansive. Marble or porcelain tiles add a luxurious touch, while natural stone, like slate or travertine, can create an earthy, grounding effect. Add plush area rugs in living and bedroom spaces to layer warmth, color, and texture over the new flooring. 11. Refine bedroom spaces with luxe bedding and layered textures. The bedroom is your sanctuary, and thoughtful updates here can make it feel like a luxury hotel suite. Start with high-quality bedding. Look for Egyptian cotton, linen, or sateen sheets for a soft, inviting texture. Layer your bed with a cozy duvet, an assortment of plush pillows, and a throw blanket in a complementary color or texture. Consider a statement headboard in upholstered velvet, wood, or metal, which can elevate the entire room. Accent the bed with a bench or a pair of ottomans at the foot for added style and function. Nightstands with elegant table lamps or wall-mounted sconces provide soft lighting that sets a tranquil mood. Finally, choose curtains or shades that block out light while adding color or pattern to the room, creating a cozy retreat designed for relaxation. 12. Create a multifunctional space with flexible furniture. Many modern homes benefit from multifunctional spaces, and having flexible furniture can maximize the usability of every square inch. For instance, a foldable desk or wall-mounted workstation can turn a corner into a home office without requiring an entire room. In guest rooms, consider a sofa bed or a Murphy bed that folds into the wall, creating an extra sleeping area when needed. In the living room, a coffee table with hidden storage can house remote controls, blankets, or magazines, keeping clutter at bay. Dining tables with extendable leaves are also practical for entertaining. The key is to find furniture that looks stylish but adapts to your lifestyle, allowing your space to transform depending on your needs, whether it's hosting guests, working from home, or relaxing with family. 13th, update staircases for a modern focal point. Often overlooked, staircases can be transformed into stunning architectural features. If you have a traditional staircase, consider upgrading the railings to sleek metal or glass for a more contemporary look. Floating stairs, where each step is affixed to the wall without visible support, are another chic option, giving the illusion of extra space and adding a modern, minimalist touch. Wooden or carpeted stair treads can also be replaced with more durable materials like stone, tile, or even patterned carpet runners for a stylish effect. Adding a unique lighting element, such as LED strips under each step or pendant lights cascading down the stairwell, can create a striking focal point. Customized railings like iron with intricate designs or glass with subtle etching further elevate this often overlooked part of the home. 14. Add greenery for a lush. Inviting atmosphere plants are an inexpensive yet transformative addition to any home. They improve air quality and add life and texture to your interior design. Start with low-maintenance plants such as succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies, which thrive indoors with minimal care. Tall plants like fiddle leaf figs or rubber plants can add height and drama to empty corners, while trailing plants like pothos or ivy can be placed on high shelves to create a cascading effect. In the kitchen, create an herb garden on the windowsill with basil, mint, and rosemary for both functionality and fragrance. Beautifully designed planters, whether ceramic, metal, or woven baskets, can further enhance the visual appeal. For an even bolder statement, consider a living wall, a vertical garden installation that adds a lush, natural backdrop to any room, blending modern design with the tranquility of nature. 15. Bring in decorative ceilings for a high-end finish. Ceilings are often left as plain surfaces, but they can be turned into impressive focal points with a little creativity. Coffered ceilings, which create a grid pattern with beams, lend elegance and structure to a room. For a modern twist, add recessed lighting within each section for a soft ambient glow. Tray ceilings, where a central section is slightly raised, are another stylish option, adding a sense of depth and grandeur. If you want something bolder, consider painting the ceiling a different color or adding wallpaper with a subtle pattern. Exposed wooden beams bring rustic charm, while metallic finishes or textured panels add a luxurious touch. This often overlooked area of your home can be transformed into a design statement that ties together the entire room. Updating your home can be an ongoing journey, but each change you make contributes to a cohesive, personalized space that feels luxurious and welcoming. These advanced updates not only showcase your unique style, but also enhance comfort, functionality, and value. Through thoughtful choices, you can create a home that's as beautiful as it is practical, reflecting both timeless elegance and modern flair.